Welcome to our online class. It is our continuous process. Today's class is part of next classes. Today our lesson is question number 6, 7 and 8. This question we see that question number 6, fill in the text, fill in the gaps using the clues from the boxes or from the table and write correct word in these gaps. Number 6, you open your khata and write out the question number 6. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. Words gives, a, by, in, the, beautify, symbol, to be, last, but, cultivation, at. This is selected word. Next, write down your khata. A flower is dash best gift of nature. It is a dash of purity and beauty. It dash us pleasure. There is nobody dash loves flower, but it is dash matter of sorrow that a flower does not dash long. It blooms dash morning and fades away very soon. Nowadays, flowers dash cultivated in our country. Many people earn their livelihood dash flower dash. You write word from the boxes. Box. A flower is dash best gift of nature. Is, it is, the word is superlative degree, and in this place is the best gift of nature. It is a dash of purity. It is a dash of purity. Find out the word. It is a symbol. Symbol of purity and beauty. It's dash us pleasure. It gives us pleasure. There are nobody dash loves. There are nobody but loves flower. But it is dash. It is a matter of sorrow that a flower does not dash long, does not last long. Last long. It blooms dash the morning. It blooms in the morning. In the morning and fades away very soon. Nowadays, flower dash cultivated. Nowadays flower To be. Flowers are cultivated. Cultivated in our country. It's to be verb. Many people earn their livelihood by flower cultivation. Flower cultivation. This question complete. Question number 7. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. Suitable word, make it meaningful text. Use suitable word from these gaps and write meaningful sentences. Bangladesh is our motherland. It gives her dash in 1971. It is a very beautiful dash. Its land area is not dash large. People of different religions live dash peacefully. There are 64 dash in Bangladesh. We love our country very much. Write, fill in the gaps, words, appropriate words. Bangladesh is our motherland. It got her dash. It got her independence. Got her independence in 1971. It is a very beautiful country. Its land area is not dash large. Land area is not very large. Very large. People of different religions live here. Peacefully. There are 64 districts in Bangladesh. We love our country very much. This question and our next question. Question number 8. Look at the blackboard. Look at the whiteboard. Match the part of sentences from column A and B. Make 5 complete sentences. Column A, column B. Column A, children are the future. They usually select that. We ought to give them. Through our distinct behavior, we should bear in mind that children. It is incomplete. It is the part of sentences. Next part, column B. A. Proper idea about right and wrong. Learn from what they see and hear. Person from the people that surround him. Hope our nation. We may set up an example for our next generation. Write meaningful sentence. One part column A and another part column B. Write a meaningful sentence. answer dash. Next part 1 plus D. Future hope our nation. Number B 2 plus they usually select that person from the people that surround him. C. We ought to give them a proper idea about right and wrong. Behavior. We may set up an example for our next generation. E. Next and last part, we should bear in mind that children learn from what they see and hear. B. 5 plus B. 1 plus D, 2 plus C, 3 plus A, 4 plus E, 5 plus B. It is our selected idea, and write meaningful sentence. Number 1, children are the future hope our nation. Number 2, they usually select that person from the people that surround him. Number 3, we ought to give them proper idea about right and wrong. Number 4, through our distinct behavior, we may set up an example for our next generation. Number 5, we should bear in mind that children learn from what they see and hear. Thank you to all and welcome to our next classes.